Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to customize volume styles panel into a Sony Xperia 10 3rd edition. First of all, open your Play Store and find volume styles application, this one. Need click install, wait a second for installing, and now click open. And then you choose, for example, your styles, like iOS for example. Click it, and on the top we got start button, so click for this button, and now need give permissions for this application here, click, and now one more time in your settings, click and use service, allow, and when you see stop button on the top, we got our new volume styles panels like iOS into our Sony Xperia 10 3rd edition. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.